welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 3rd to the 7th of August 2026 on Monday. Mondli pushes for a risky interception. Fikile prepares for what she believes is a big moment, while Hau witnesses something that could change everything on Tuesday. Kazimolo and Geja work secretly with Mondli to dismantle Amantalian from the inside, forcing them to get a confession on record or to stay trapped. Fikile struggles with the sudden return of Subu's son, putting their marriage proposal on hold on Wednesday. Kazimolo swallows his pride and heads straight toward option B. Hau finally makes up his mind about taking the Mchunu surname, and will Madlala manage to convince Mandisa to stay in Kwamashu on Thursday. Fikile feels sidelined as Subu leans into his role as a father. Hau is forced to pick himself up after a painful rejection, and as Kazimolo's guilt starts to crack him, Lungster and Geja cross a line that could cost them everything on Friday. Geja crosses enemy lines and there is no point of return. Kazimolo realizes that his family legacy has become a sinking ship. Fikile's chase for the ring leaves her on the sidelines. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.